Welcome to another one of my listings at One Museum Park East. I'm Suchi Bhagat, and I'm about to show you this luxurious home offering stunning Chicago skyline, Lake Michigan, and Grant Park views. 5305 is at the northwest corner, showcasing breathtaking sunset views from wraparound floor-to-ceiling windows. This home features 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, is about 2,400 square feet, offering a great CEO-style office space with custom built-ins. The living room offers a great entertaining space with a built-in to match the kitchen area. The home also has electronic shades throughout the unit and has an open concept kitchen into the living room. Gourmet kitchen offers stainless steel GE monogram appliances with 18,000 BTU burners and exhaust that vents out directly. And the best part about this kitchen are the stunning views. We're at the entrance here, and the entire hallway has wainscoting details, which is fantastic. To the left here, we have a coat closet, custom built. This primary suite offers 2 large custom closets with built-ins. Here we have a king-size bed, but as you can see, even when you go to bed at night, you have these amazing Chicago skyline views putting you to sleep. And a spa-like master bath. Here we have marble floors, dual vanity, a whirlpool tub, and a spacious standing shower.